Today we will revise the chapter, and the name of the chapter is From the Diary of Anne Frank. And I will give you the short description of the chapter. Anne Frank thinks that writing a diary is a strange experience for her. She has never written anything like this before. She feels that no one else except her will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. She writes it for herself. She wants to get all kinds of things off from all kinds of things off her chest. Annie feels that paper has more patience than people. There was a time when she was little depressed and sat at home. She doesn't want anyone else except her to read her stiff-backed notebook unless she finds a real friend. She keeps the diary as she doesn't have a friend. Annie writes that outwardly there are about 30 people whom she can call friends. She has a family, loving aunts, and a good home. She has loving parents and 16-year-old sister, but still she feels all alone. She can only talk about ordinary things with them. They are not able to come closer. This is the problem. They can't confide in each other. Maybe it is her own fault. This is why she has started the diary. She wants her diary to be her friend. She calls her diary her friend Kitty. She calls her father the most adorable father. He married at 36 when her mother was 25. Her sister Margot was born in 1926 while she was born on 12th June 1929. They emigrated to Holland in 1933. She got her education there. In 1942, her grandma died. Annie started writing her diary on 20th June 1942. The entire class is shaking with fear. The teachers will decide in the next meeting who will move up and who will be kept back. She realizes that at least there are about a quarter of students who are totally worthless and should be kept back. But it is difficult to predict about the decision of the teachers. She is not much worried about herself and her girlfriends. She is not very sure about maths. She has good relations with her teachers. Mr. Kissing, the maths teacher, is an old-fashioned teacher. He doesn't like her because she talks too much. The maths teacher gives her some extra work to write an essay on a chatterbox. She writes 3 pages. She argues in the essay that talking is a student's trait. She promises to keep it under control. She feels that she will never be able to cure herself of the habit. Her mother also talked as much as she does. It is an inherited trait. Mr. Kissing has a good laugh at her arguments. In the essay, he assigns her a second essay on an incorrigible chatterbox. Finally, as punishment for talking in the class, he gives her another essay on quack, quack, quack. Said Mistress Chatterbox. The class gives a roar of laughter. Her friend is good at poetry. She offers to help her. Annie wants to turn the table on Mr. Kissing. She finishes the poem about a mother duck and a father swan with 3 baby ducklings. They are bitten to death by the father because they quack too much. Mr. Kissing understands the poem and its message in the right way. Since then, she has been allowed to talk. She has not been assigned with any extra homework. Now, fill in the blanks are there. So, you have to fill these blanks. The first one is, writing in a diary is a strange experience for, and our answer will be Anne Frank. Second, she writes only to lighten the burden on her heart. Number 3, she feels that paper has more patience than people. Next, she wants to keep a diary. She wants to keep a diary as she doesn't have a friend. Next, she wants the diary to be her true friend. She wants the diary to be her true friend. She got her education in Amsterdam. She started writing her diary from 20th June 1942. The maths teacher, what was the name of the teacher? Mr. Kissing. Mr. Kissing is an old-fashioned teacher. Next, he is annoyed. He is annoyed with Anne as she talks too much in the class. Next, he gives her an extra homework to write an essay on a chatterbox. She writes that she has inherited the habit of talking from her mother. So, these are the fill-ups and you have to do these fill-ups in your notebook, and next we will do by tomorrow. Thank you.